So after this, we're gonna water it. Water it to make sure that it stays nice and moist so that the plants can thrive. When it doesn't look like it, we grab a few more seedlings, and then we are done transplanting. Maybe 2 or 3 more, then we are done. So that is it. We have quite a few of them over here now. So I'll say in about maybe 3 weeks time, we should be able to harvest these. Start harvesting them. So we have quite a lot of worms on this raised bed. It's gonna provide much needed nutrients to the plants. Okay, so we're done. We're done transplanting over there. So what we're gonna do now is just water it. Let me grab my can. So what I'm gonna do is just add a little bit of let me grab my can right here. So to help the plants do much better, I'm just gonna put a little bit of Epsom salt. It's gonna reduce transplant shock. Also provide nutrients to the plants for them to do better. So just a little bit of Epsom salt, like a tablespoon to a gallon of water, and then just mix it up. Then we water. Just want to make sure that the soil is moist so that the plants can continue to get nutrients from the soil. And the Epsom salt is going to help provide more nutrients and help them thrive. If you're liking the live so far or the video so far, smash the like button. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos and lives. Thank you guys so much. So like you seen, I'm just making sure that the soil is really soaked. At least it reduces transplant shock and the plants are able to pick up from where they were in the seed starting tray, and they can just pick up from there. And when transplanting, you want to transplant very early in the morning or late in the evening like this, so that the plants have less stress from the heat or the sun. So by they will be a little bit better in terms of getting situated and stable in this location. And in a day or two, no matter how much sun or how much heat we have, they should be fine. So you can see we're done transplanting uh, over here. And so it's all done. We're good to go. Um, Thank you for the likes. Thank you for sticking around. So that is it. Let me know in the comments